The pigmentation's perfect, and I'm gonna give this palette a Hey everyone, it's me Ice. Today I am doing a first impressions from Morphe. As you guys know, they have 40% off right now on their website, so I had to get a couple items. So the first item I got is the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics Empress. It is a blush, and like that, I have her brushes, I have Jaclyn's brushes, but I've never had anything from her line. So this is what it looks like. Let's do a swatch. Oh wow. Wow, that's very pink. I'm a little nervous. I'm assuming a little bit goes a long way. Let me just smell. Oh, it is soft. Oh, it's very soft and blendable. Oh, that's gonna be pretty. This is gonna be pretty. I have a good feeling about that. Next item I also got from the website is a lip oil called Bad Habit, a daily fix elderberry and vitamin E lip oil, which I need because my lips are dry right at the moment. So this is what it looks like. If you don't mind, I'm gonna try it right now. Ooh, this is pretty. It smells like lavender. So, ooh. Very hydrating. Very, very hydrating. It's pretty. I just don't like when I have when I get a lip oil, later I get like that white stuff in my mouth. It's just so annoying. I've been dealing with that for so long, but this is something I would definitely keep in my fanny pack. So, I mean, it feels manageable. Like, it's really nice. So, I'm very impressed. I like it. I like it. Alright guys, so the star of the show today is the Jaclyn Hill Divine Neutrals palette. I saw this a while back and I thought it was very, very beautiful. And you know what's so weird is when I went to Jaclyn Hill's YouTube channel, forgive me guys, I couldn't find her video on the tutorial on this. I mean, can someone correct me? I couldn't find it because I wanted to see how she works with these colors. This is very lightweight, and again guys, it's 40% off everything. Well, I won't say everything. Some of the items are 40% off, but majority. So I'm very happy with everything I got so far, and this palette had my eye. I was like, hey, you know what? I keep buying palettes. I love palettes, but here you go. This is what it looks like. It is super, super beautiful. I cannot wait to use it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the first row for you guys. Hope you like those swatches. They are so beautiful, and I think this is perfect for, you know, someone who's into soft glam. Of course, like, these colors are everyday friendly, and this is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm really excited to use it right now. So let's do it. The moment of truth, I'm going to be going in with the Jaclyn Hill Divine Neutrals palette. And you guys, I tried a, what's his name? I tried this technique from my favorite makeup artist. I don't know why I'm blanking out, but so what I do now is when it comes to like brightening my under eye, I don't use my foundation all the way here. I just keep it here, and then I put my brightening under my eye. And look at the difference. It's so much better, and he was correct. Like, I just see a big difference, and it just looks way better than before. So I will be doing that from now on. What I'm gonna do now is go in with good vibes. you guys, so this is the final look. I like it. It's very everyday friendly. Putting it on, putting the eyeshadow on was a dream. It just felt right. Everything blended well. The pigmentation's perfect. And I'm gonna give this palette a 10 out of 10. Great for natural glam, something you could wear every day. It's not too much. Great for nighttime as well. It's a yes for me. And remember, it's 40% off. So yes, I will put a list here of how much I got all my items from the 40% off sale, which I think is still going on right now. And I think you should hop on to it if you want to get something from Morphe. This is the time. For the Bad Habit lip oil, it's a yes for me. I will be using this every day because of the benefits that come with it, and it smells good. And again, my lips get dry on a day-to-day basis because I'm moving around so much, and it felt really good on my lips, so I'll give this a 10 out of 10 as well. Now, when it comes to the Jaclyn Hill Empress blush, I'm wearing it right now, but it's not as, you know, as intense. I think if you put a lot more, it'll be very, very intense. But for this look, I didn't want anything too heavy, so I just did like 2 strokes and then blended it out with a brush, which blends very well, as you can see. I think I would consider this is buildable, but for me, I don't like anything too extreme. I think what I did really complements what I'm doing and my skin tone. I don't want anything too much. So this is definitely very cute. I personally think this is optional. I think I enjoy my Tarte blush. It's similar to this color. It's very pigmented and very innocent looking. It's very pretty. And I'm gonna have to say this is optional. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. All the items I listed I will put on the description box below, and I will put the original price and the discounted price that is currently happening right now on the Morphe website. And I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this look as well. So again guys, little side note, I'm on my hair journey. I did the big cut, not too much of a drastic cut, but I did I cut like most of my hair, so it's growing back again, which is really pretty. I'm hoping to show you a few months from now like how's it going. It definitely grew, so I'm very happy. But again guys, thank you so much to all my new subscribers, everyone who's watching. I appreciate you, and make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and conversate. Let's talk. So I hope you guys have a great week. Thank you so much, and I will be seeing you in the next video.